Finally revealed, the secret of creating custom software for niche markets that need your products, and will pay well to get them. Give me 45 minutes and I'll teach you how to start cranking out custom software that sells like crazy, without ever writing a single piece of code. Thousands now create software, for insane profits, who never thought they could. Click on the button below and I'll give you a crash course on how you can too start creating custom software and profit wildly doing it. Or just keep reading to learn more. A limited time offer from Lee Cusano of ReprintRightsBiz.com. The Newbie's Guide to Making Software. Dear Internet friend, would you like to make millions in the software industry? Or maybe just start another modest income stream? Technology like broadband internet and simple programming languages have made creating custom software a reality for literally everyone. You'd be surprised to know who is making money selling software. And you can too, when you find out that Bill Gates isn't the only one making megabucks from software. Anyone can create software if they can use their imagination just a little bit. One thing is certain. Now is the perfect time in history to create custom software products, for cheap, that sell like crazy. Just look at the benefits of acting now. Unlimited marketplace and thousands of hot niches just waiting for new software to be developed. Software is a billion-dollar industry. You don't have to know how to write code to create custom software. You can find programmers all over the world who will create software to your specific needs. How to create software and profit like mad. See how easily you can create custom software for hot markets even if you have no clue where to start. My report will teach you how to create software like Bill Gates. If you don't start profiting from custom software now, you'll hate yourself later. Billions are literally being made off of software right now and the market is wide open. It's time to demand your piece of the pie. You've made your decision? Click the button below now to download my guide right away, you'll have it in minutes. Includes full reprint rights. P.S. You don't have to be a computer programmer to create custom software.